Welcome back. Today I have kind of a weird video for you guys. I actually ordered some plants online through Home Depot. I specifically ordered the 1-gallon windmill palm trees, and they showed up today, and apparently they're in a box. So I've never ordered live plants online and had them ship them to me in a box before. I thought they were gonna come already out. These were about $50 and it's supposed to come with 2. Really didn't know what to expect when I ordered them, and I still really don't know what to expect. I haven't opened it up. As you guys can see, all I've done so far is just take my address off of it so you guys don't know where I live. But let's go ahead and unbox these. I'm really curious to see what these look like, and I'm sitting in my living room because they're in a box, so hopefully they don't drop a bunch of dirt. But let's get right into it. And I apologize, my neighbors are like trying to work on a car or something, I think, so it's kind of loud. All right, so here we go. They're wrapped up. I can't say I'm a fan that they're kind of scrunched into the box like this. I'd rather them put it in a little bit bigger of a box. They did apparently ship these all the way from Washington County, Oregon, all the way to where I'm at in Texas. So pretty long trip, and it took them almost a week to get here. I ordered them last Wednesday, and it is now the next week on Tuesday. So they've probably been in this box for a little while. Let me try to fish one of these guys out without breaking it. I don't like how they're so bunched up in here, because it's obviously not good for the plant to do that. But here is the first palm tree. It looks really good, like a really quality palm tree. And the reason I ordered these is because they're really resistant to cold weather. They can handle cold weather a lot better than most other palm trees do. And if you guys are curious in buying these for yourself, I'll leave the exact link where I bought these from Home Depot in the description. I'm not sponsored or anything. This is just kind of what I was looking for. I couldn't find a good mini-sized palm tree anywhere. I went to Lowe's, Home Depot, some nurseries in my local area, and everything was really big and really expensive. So these are a good price if you're looking for something a little bit smaller, cold resistant, and not super expensive, because it's only $50, so about $25 a piece, and shipping was completely free. So I definitely like how these little palm trees look. They actually came in one piece in a box. I almost can't believe it. They shipped them FedEx. They're a little scrunched up because they were in that box for a little bit too long, I think. But they should be okay, and they're both decent size. So it claimed online that they were 1 gallon a piece. I don't know if that's true. This looks more like a ½ gallon to me. Maybe it meant 1 gallon put together. I don't know exactly, you guys correct me if I'm wrong, but these are good size. This is what I was personally looking for. My only complaint would be that online, they do make these things look a lot bigger than this. They make them look about this tall if you go look at the Home Depot link. But again, I'm personally okay. I didn't want them to be super large, so I'm happy with this. I got some whiskey barrel pots from Walmart that I'm gonna go ahead and plant these in pretty soon, along with some dirt specifically for palm trees and cactus and stuff. So I'll definitely plant these guys for you and show you the results of how they look in the pots. If you guys want to buy the same whiskey barrel pots that I bought, I'll also leave a link to that down below in the description. Got a really good deal on them, and they were the cheapest I could find really anywhere. That's gonna be it for today. So I actually had an okay experience ordering these plants online and having them delivered in a box. A little bit weird, a little bit out of the ordinary for me, because usually I'll go just pick them up in person. Never had anything delivered like this in a box, but they came in one piece. They look nice, in good condition, and I'm excited to plant these. You guys have any questions, let me know down in the comments, and I will make sure to answer you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and get started on planting these guys and figuring out where I wanna put them around my house. Thanks for watching.